Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set the parental controls on Netflix. Parental controls on Netflix will allow parents to manage and restrict content for their children's uh, choose which content that the children can access. And this tutorial will show you a guide to setting up and use Netflix parental controls. So first, if you want to, you can create a kid's profile on Netflix. As you guys can see here, I've already opened the Netflix apps on my computer. And here, Netflix allows you to create separate profiles with restricted content for kids. So what you need to do to create kids profile, just tap on add profile. And in here, you can set the name for your kids uh, profile. And here you can just so just activate this kid's profile like this and tap on save. So now the kid's profile has been created. So for the kid's profile, it will automatically set the maturity ratings into a kids friendly. But if you want to modify it, you can just open the one of the profile first. Sorry, you need to open the normal profile, and in here you can just go to this photo over here, your photo, and then you can just tap on account. You can find the options in here, adjust parental controls. Here you need to enter the password of your Netflix. Tap on continue. Okay, so as you guys can see here, you can set it for the kids to be 7 plus, or you can also just go to your kids profile and set it for an age appropriate for your kids. You can also block specific titles in here. Don't show specific titles for this profile regardless of maturity rating. You can just add a specific titles of movies or shows, and then after that you can just tap on save and it will be saved as a block on the Netflix. You can also set a profile lock if you want to. You can just go to these adjust parental controls, and here you can again click on enter your password again, and you can just set a 4-digit pin and click on save. And if you want to, you can also turn off autoplay for kids. You can disable the autoplay to prevent continuous streaming of episodes on a kid's profile. So what you need to do is just go to the manage profiles and select the kids profiles in here. And you can just uncheck this autoplay next episode in our series on all devices. You can tap on save. You can also monitor the viewing activity of your children's profile. You can just go to account and then profile and parental controls, select the kids profile, and under the viewing activity, you can click view to see the list of watch titles. And if your child uses a device with downloaded content, you can limit downloads to appropriate content and use the same maturity rating settings. And you can check the downloaded titles periodically to ensure compliance with your rules. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.